In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Microsoft Forms ID in just 5 minutes. This process is pretty straightforward, so let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Microsoft account. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to account.microsoft.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, including your email and password, before you can proceed. If you've enabled any security features like two-factor authentication, make sure to complete that step as well. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your account homepage. On this page, you should see a familiar icon in the top left corner, often referred to as the App Launcher. Go ahead and click on the App Launcher. It usually looks like a small grid of dots and is a gateway to all the apps available to you in Microsoft 365. Right after clicking, you'll see a drop-down menu or a panel displaying several app options. Within this drop-down, you'll want to look for an option titled All Apps, or sometimes More Apps, depending on your layout. Click on this option to reveal a more comprehensive list of applications that Microsoft offers. Don't worry if you don't spot it right away. You might need to scroll down a little or search in a secondary menu. Once you have the full list in view, scroll through until you find the app labeled Forms. The applications are usually listed alphabetically, so just simply navigate to the F section. Click on Microsoft Forms to open it. After clicking on Forms, you should be taken to a new page specifically dedicated to all the forms you've created under your account. This page might be empty if you haven't made any forms yet, but if you have, you'll see a list of your existing forms appear. Now, go ahead and select any one of these forms by clicking on it. This will lead you to the detailed interface of the form you've selected. Here, you can view and edit the form as needed. But our main goal is to find the form ID. To locate the form ID, pay attention to your web browser's address bar. When you click on one of your forms, the URL in the address bar will change. This URL contains detailed information about the form. Look for a string of letters and numbers following the term Form ID within the address. This alphanumeric string is your unique Form ID. And there you have it. You've successfully found your Microsoft Form ID by following these simple steps. You can quickly locate any Form ID you need for seamless management and organization of your forms. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.